I still think that we're in a winning position, and that's it. We have a change in 1 second, and guys, thank God we having a profit is what's happening. And guys, we having a profit. Hi everyone, my name is Camila, and today we're gonna talk about very popular theme. So how to stay calm and make the right decision while you're trading, how not to be emotional or exhausted from the trading sessions. So today we're gonna talk about that and make some profitable deals. Also, don't forget that I have Telegram channel where I give you some advices on trading, strategies, and absolutely free signals. It's absolutely free for you, so just don't forget to follow. I think that is an amazing chance to earn some more money and increase your profit and your capital. So let's start. We're gonna start as usual with choosing the assets with the biggest payouts, and I think that most important in your confidence while you're trading is to understand that you using the money that is not important in your life. That's a rule that I made for myself, that the money that I put in trading, that's not money that I live for, because sometimes guys put some money that they need for their life and then they lose it because they don't have enough experience or they got too emotional, and that became a big crisis in life. So that's a big drama. I think that's a wrong way to earn money and to work with trading or pocket option, because that become too risky and it can turn out to be catastrophic. So that the first rule: use the money that you have freely in your hands that you don't use for your usual life. So the second thing that I use the candles for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna use two indicators. That's gonna be Bollinger Bands and oscillator, and probably I'm gonna have the third indicators here, so it's gonna be the Bollinger Bands. Why? Today I'm not gonna change the indicators because it's okay for me like this, and let's make the short trading session for here to understand how the market gonna work from here. Okay guys, so let's start trading. I chose 3 indicators here and let's see. So the second thing in the confidence that I have while trading is understanding the basis of technical analysis. The first thing is to understand how the candle works. What is the volume, what is the body of the candle, and what is the tail of the candle. That is very important part of trading. Also, understanding few indicators to work with and understanding the basis of technical analysis, for example, curve, maximum, minimum, the support and resistance line. And I think for the first few weeks that's gonna be enough, but educate yourself a lot of time because that is very important when you're learning how to trade and trying to earn some money. So let's see what's happening here on the market. We have a very nice support zone right here, as you can see, and we don't have a lot of buyers on the moment, but I still think that we're in a winning position, and that's it. We having a profitable deal. I think that is just amazing. So let's see what's gonna happen here. I think that here we're probably gonna go downwards because you can see we had that window that telling us no buyers, no sellers, very shaky position for the market and for the currencies right now. So I think that probably now we will try to go downwards for the position of the market, not to lose every volume that we have and every buyer that we have. So let's see what's gonna happen. The market is pretty not stable because you can see there's few seconds it go up and down, but still I think that's gonna go downwards and we're gonna win. So as you can see, the Bollinger Bands wide telling us that we have this flow of the market and it's kind of curves out, but right now it's kind of stable. Also on oscillator we have the great volume of the buyers, but we had not profitable deal. And look at me, I'm pretty calm and not getting nervous. So here I'm gonna use the martingale strategy, put 2 times more and put for downwards position right now, because I'm pretty sure in my analysis, and also I'm keep it calm because I know that the martingale strategy gonna cover up my not profitable deal, and also it's gonna give me some money in plus. So when you have situation like this, one more trick is martingale strategy. You know your next step, what you will do if the deal is not profitable, if you lost. You have the martingale strategy for this case, and you probably understand that for 90% that okay, I can lose, but that's gonna be an okay position because I know what to do next. Well, the market is unstable today for sure, as you can see for yourself, but I hope we gonna stay in the winning position. But that's just crazy how it changed in 1 second. And guys, thank God we having a profit. That was difficult. Let's have one more deal and let's see. I'm gonna stay in the same asset because I think that we're gonna continue to compensate a big movement to higher position from here. Also, as you can see, we have a big volume of sellers on the market, and even the Bollinger Bands telling us we have this kind of slight curve to the downwards position. Let's see how it's gonna be work. I think now we're gonna have a little step up and down to not making it so obvious, but let's wait and see what's gonna happen with this candle, because we still don't have buyers, we have sellers, and we have 20 seconds left that the candle gonna close up in our position on the market, but probably it's not. So let's see. As you remember, we have amazing martingale strategy. If we're not winning here, we are okay, and it's about keeping calm your emotions. Okay, so we're gonna double up the amount here and change it for $2,800. Oh, we cannot put $800 because again, Pocket Option, very smart platform because they do not give you a chance to lose a lot of money. Sometimes it's kind of sad because I cannot earn more, but you see, sometimes it's good. So now we earning for higher position, we buying the position right now, so we put the martingale strategy again, and let's see what's happening on the market. We have a big volume of buyers here, also the Bollinger Bands showing us a position for working higher, and I think that is very nice position to trade. Also, as you can see, wow, that is very tasteful moment. As you can see, we have a long tail to the downwards position that's telling us, well, I probably will grow. Even that we have a volume of the sellers on the market, we still have opportunity to grow, and as you can see, that is what's happening. And guys, we having a profit, and that is just amazing because we covered up our loss. We are perfectly calm and happy, so I think we can continue and make one more for this time profitable deal. Honestly, I showed you this situation to show how to regulate your emotions. Of course, I know how to change the market, how to earn more money, but I just want you to see that even experienced traders have sometimes not profitable deals. Sometimes we have to trade few times, use the martingale strategies 2 times in a row, because sometimes the market is not understandable or moving too fastly. That is absolutely okay. And as you can see, just staying calm, knowing your position, and next step giving you opportunity to grow, to earn money, and to continue be a trader, a professional trader, to keep calm. And I think that is an amazing strategy, an amazing goal. So I hope you like this position that I show you, how it can be in not successful trades, how it can be with successful trades, and you will understand that everything can happen and we all people. So let's see, we having the profitable position here very nicely. So that was our last trade for the day. So don't forget that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you signals, some advices about traders, and also some strategies. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and put the likes on. Bye bye!